All right, thank you for your interest in SellMeBooks.com. I'm going to be going through a series of tutorials on how to use our app. It's available in both the Android Google Play Store as well as the Apple uh, iOS App Store. You could just search for SellMeBooks, all one word, and it should come up, and it's free to download. The next step is to sign up if you've never used the app before. It's essentially a very basic, self-explanatory process, but there's two main things that I want to relay. The first one is which account type should you choose? If you're an in-school student running a student buyback, then you'll want to choose the first option, student buyback. If you're applying for one of our part-time or full-time positions, you'll want to choose faculty buyer. And lastly, if you're a bookstore or a student housing operation or just an independent book buyer that will be sending us some inventory, you would choose the third option. The rest is pretty self-explanatory. You'll enter your name, email, create a password, phone number, the school you go to, who referred you to SellMeBooks, the platform that you use, either Apple, Android, or in some cases there are other vendors. And then lastly, your address, where we can ship you materials if need be. The next thing I want to explain is this does not immediately authorize you to use the app when you click register. There's two things that need to happen. First is you'll get an email that has an activation link. That's to allow us to verify that your email address is correct. That's important because if we need to send you any information or communicate with you, it just verifies that the supplied email is working. The second step, once you've activated and confirmed your email address, is the administrator on the SellMeBooks website will need to approve your account. And that's because all the information in the app is proprietary, and we don't want non-authorized users to access our proprietary database since it's best in class in the industry. So those two things need to occur for your account to be activated and allow you to log in using this main login page.